Since 1980, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has celebrated World Tourism Day on September 27. Its purpose is to foster awareness among the international community of the importance of tourism and its social, cultural, political and economic value. Swazi TV had the chance to talk to the Minister of Tourism and Environmental Affairs, Jabulani Mabuza, on what this day means to the Kingdom of Swaziland and the entire world.
And we have a topic that says tourism for all. And that is what exactly the ministry with the parastatal Swaziland Tourism Authority that we are busy with. We are preaching that message to the country of Eswatini. We will be celebrating this day on Thursday at Mlilwane, whereby we are bringing all different kinds of people, those that are disabled and those that are normal, the old age and the young ones. So we are saying tourism is for all. Tourism is for everybody. So even our facilities as a country that we do, or whatsoever development that we do, we must have in mind that we have people that are disabled. Firstly, we want to be among the top 10 destinations. Countries that are most visited. That is what we are aiming by 2022. We want to be among those ones. We must be visited. So ours as a ministry is to make sure that we market the country as we are doing. For now, because sometimes as small countries, we sometimes have the financial problems that we experience. But for now, we are distributing some pamphlets, we are distributing booklets that speaks more about the country. But our main target is to be among the top 10. So what we are asking then from Swazi people, from Swazi businesses, is that we must develop, we must do something, we must go for community tourism projects.
The minister also encouraged the Swazi nation to practice domestic tourism instead of waiting for tourists to come into the country. Pauline Maziambonga Tobe reporting for Swazi TV News in Mbabane.